All right, now that we have Blender opened, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install some matte caps. So what matte caps are is they allow you to visualize your model in different shaders. So for example, before I show you anything, if I go up here to this top arrow, I go to matte cap, I can click amongst all these different shaders. So you can see this cube turn to this sort of clay. Here we have it, it's a sort of white with a warm and cool lighting around it. Got something where it's ultra shiny, all sorts of different matte caps. However, there's a few key ones that aren't offered in this latest one that I think are very valuable in the previous ones. So we're going to install some matte caps. First thing we want to do is want to go up to Edit, Preferences. Then we want to go to Light, Matte Caps, Install. Then you can go to into tutorial folder that I sent everyone. You can access the matte caps folder. So for here, let's see, Bloom tutorial, awesome, matte caps, bam. All right, so here's the 3 matte caps, and if we were to look at the images, so we got this sort of satin, metal, chrome, and we got this red paint that's really great for checking highlights. So I'm going to click and shift click, so I have all 3, install, and then we just go down here, save preferences, done. So now every single time you open up Blender, those matte caps will be saved. So you won't have to do that again unless if you install another version of Blender, to which you'll have to do some of this process again, but it's okay, you got a folder now. All right, so if we want to check into here, some of these things that aren't as apparent what they do with just the cube shader, but we'll look at it with this sphere. Now, I'm going to get into how to pan and how to do all those things just a minute. However, I just wanted to show you what some of these shaders are about. So this is great for just looking at form, just being able to see what the form of particularly automotive surfaces are doing. And the thing with some shaders where it's hyper shiny, that's good, but more for finish work, because you can spend hours trying to perfect some surfaces, especially if you didn't do something like shrink wrapping. But just to get the rough volumes in there, it's best to keep it satin and worry about that fine tuning later. Then you have this chrome, which honestly, I don't use it too much, but it's a nice visualization thing to have. And this last one, this one is very helpful for checking highlights, and we'll get into that later. So that's it for now. That's it for matte caps.